Caliente is an educational event for anybody around the university to learn about our Hispanic heritage, our customs, our heroes, our victories, anything we've had throughout our Hispanic history. And we just want people to learn something from this, know our traditions, know our customs, and to take it and explore with other friends out there. I'm event coordinator. I'm in charge of different events going on throughout the year. Caliente being one of our biggest ones that we have. And just to bring our organization together to socialize more and to have fun.
The thing about the Hispanic culture is that familia is very important, so that's what I like to talk about more than anything, that we're a family, you know, and that, you know, even though like this is a big university, that even within that big university there's a small little culture like HBSA, which everyone's allowed to come to. Like, it's not just strictly Hispanics.
Being Vietnamese in a Hispanic organization, yeah, a lot of people ask me, why aren't you hanging around with your crowd? But I don't know, it's just, I wanted to do something different. I wanted to bring diversity and learn about diversity here at Texas A&M. And to join a Hispanic organization, it was really good, and for them to accept me for who I was. And
So the event started at 6 and it was going good. Everybody started eating and food. There was about close to 200 people out there. Everybody was enjoying their time. And then it just started pouring and pouring and pouring. It didn't seem to stop. So everybody ran, but still kept out there. I mean, they didn't go home or anything, so I'm pretty proud of that. But we're moved up here, and then the fire alarm went off, the air conditioning ain't working, so everybody was outside just waiting for something to happen. So now we're up here, we're trying to keep the party going, and we're about to have a cheerleading contest and give some gift prizes out, so keep the party going.
We have this room. It's really hot, but our event's called Caliente, so it fits the theme. And right now it's going really great. A lot of organizations